just picked this up from Lowe's. Supposedly it's got really good ratings. Average is, I believe, 4.5 stars. So I've never owned one of these. I am no expert. I'm new to home ownership, and a friend of mine gave me a table saw, told me I would use it. I thought I wouldn't. It sat around for a little while, and then I've used it over and over and over again. And I found that I want to do more things around the home since now I have more space. I come from a city environment. So this is all new to me. First time using any of these type of tools. You don't get to have these in an apartment in the city. So now that I have a garage and an outdoor space, I'm able to use these types of pieces of equipment. Well, there's no putting it together. Cool. How do you like it? It's called the Metabo HPT 12-inch 305 millimeter compound miter saw. How do you like it, son? That's pretty cool, right? So that's everything inside. I have this at the end. I probably can't. Let's see what's in there. Yeah, pretty much. You want to help me, son? Take this out. Ready? Lift up and over. Nothing else in the box at all. Put that to the side right now. Can you pull the gate away? Or the cart? And it's very, very heavy. A little close-up look of it. We have been cutting a lot of pieces of wood to build things. It's pretty cool to have it. So the measurement on the cable itself from the end here is, can you hold that, son, there? Hold it to the end right there. Perfect. Thank you. That's going to be about 79 inches or 6 feet 7 inches. Pretty thick cable. It's a dual prong cable. Let's do a close-up look of the item. Get the camera off the camera mount. Can you open that up, son? My son's gonna help me open this up. Can you open that up, please? Show us what's in there. Don't break it. Try to make a small hole, and we've opened it. Taking it out. Can you put this inside the box? Do me a favor, put all those pieces of cardboard in the box just in case I need to return it. Here's all the instructions. I'll have this at the end. You can pause the end on the slideshow to see all the information. So if you need anything, plus I use it also because we always end up losing the instruction manual. So you can come back to my video to look at it. And this is for the dust that is created. And this looks like some kind of tool or wrench to tighten things. Can you help me, son, open this up? This is going to be something. Oh, I think this goes, I saw it in the display. That goes in the front, I believe. Son, can you come here? And this is going to be, can you hold that plastic back? Some kind of mounting, and I need that too. There's nothing else in there? Oh, okay. This is in there, and this. So let's find out where all these pieces go. There's 3 of them. I believe that's a tool. Let's take a close-up look of the item. Yeah, can you put that in there? This is to put it mounted to the ground, I believe. So it stays pretty stable. And can we lift this thing up? No, you can move it sideways. Nope, it's locked. So give me a minute. The real close-up look. Does that come off? Okay, I think I just loosened it. Try it again. No, the handle goes up. Yeah. Anything, press the handle, see if it goes up. Okay. It might be locked. That's another area. Hold on one moment. Let's turn it around. This is the back of it. Try to find out as much information as I could and give you everything I could find out about this. And that's the front. This allows it to slide back and forth, I believe. Okay, so I got to remove that nut bolt right there. That's what this came off of. It was wrapped up in that. So I got to remove this, and I do it, I guess, with the tool that came in the box. Son, can you hold this up? Yep, it fits perfectly. So keep on. So it says I have to remove this. This is probably maybe locking everything into place.
Do you have to put it back in with the screw?
No, I think it's it one. So my son's gonna do the rest of the unscrewing. I'm gonna take that completely out. It's underneath. Let's take a look at the bottom part. There it goes, the bolt came out. So now, my son found this Allen key underneath there somewhere. I don't know where this came from. This was in there. And I believe that now this will replace that. Can you screw that in? Can you screw that in? Because that's what I saw in the store. This thing. We'll put that, can you put it in the box? So that way we can use it and get an idea of everything that we need. So this is the bottom, the whole bottom. This does not seem to be sliding at all. Okay. Can you do me a favor? Get the measuring tape for me. So I'll grab it from there. To give you a rough, no, do it the other way. Give you a rough, grab it. Give you a rough estimate of the size this way, and then do it from down here, son, over here, there, here. So that's the amount of space it's going to take if you put it somewhere. There goes the. Can you? Take this out. Okay, that's out. Put this in the box, please. Again, I'm new to this. I've never purchased one before. But I'm looking to use it for different projects. It just comes in handy. And I'm giving you the experience of someone who has no clue on how to use this thing. So, you know, of course I take safety precautions. I've been in wood shop and I've cut things in people's homes. I've just never owned one. I've used this in the past in other people's homes, but I've never owned one myself. So this is the on and off button right there. I think that's covered. Sealed with a plastic. Okay. Oh, it's also a laser. The gentleman at the store just swore by this whole laser thing. Oh, it has a zipper. Just realized it for easy disposal of the sawdust. That was easy. So in order to unlock the actual device, they lock it for reasons for either you're moving it around or storing it, or for them to ship it. It has to get locked. And the locking pin, don't go crazy, the bag is facing me, okay? The handle is facing away from me. Bag is facing me, you go down, down, and right here, this thing, you pull on it. Go ahead, so wiggle it down and up, and then it'll come loose, that right there. That's the locking. And then, when you're traveling, you put it down. Yeah, the whole thing has to handle. It has to wiggle. You have to wiggle the whole thing. So let's do it again. Put it down. It's not locked, as you see. It'll go up and down easily. So to lock it, push it down. Let's say you need to store it or you're moving it. For safety reasons, you push this in. Can you wiggle it up and down? You have to wiggle it up and down so it can meet with the opening. Go ahead, keep going up and down a little more. Is it locked now? Okay. So now it's in. Locked. So pull on the handle, make sure it's locked. No, it's not locked. Go ahead, keep going. Push it down. See, okay, there it goes. So wiggle it up and down, push it in, it's locked now. Now she'll try to lift it up, it won't go up. Then to unlock it, she wiggles it up and down a little bit, or just, slightly, just to get it away from the notch, and pull on it and it'll come. I think it goes inside here, that's what it is. And that's the reason. Thank you so much. That's how you unlock it, and it's ready for business. So I'm gonna try my first cut and see how it cuts real quick. I'm just excited to use it. And just to let you know, before you use this, you should always wear protective eye gear. And I'm going to be using those glasses right there, and gloves. So I'm using gloves too, just in case. It's better to be safe than sorry. So let's just do a first cut, and then we'll go over the whole thing and what I've learned about it before I purchased it. I'll go through some of the information on the actual item. Any piece of wood. You can take that one right there behind me, right here. No, you can't touch those. So the on and off, so let's turn it on. In order to run it, it's locked, the handle itself. In order to have it run, there's a button underneath here. You press it, and then the handle comes free. Let's just cut one piece of wood just to see how it works. I'm not cutting anything fancy, just I'm outside doing this right now. This will be inside the garage. For now, I'm just doing it here, and I'm just gonna cut. Let me straighten out the whole thing. So I just press this button and I pull on the handle. Hey son, can you do me a favor? Can you step on that corner of the, I'm turning off the saw, and now I'm moving it. You gotta hold it more, okay? And it moves side. Oh, it's also laser. So I just want to turn it straight. You have to just pull on this. It should be mounted, and then you'll be able to do it easier. And it's helping than what's going on with me. And it's right in the center. You can move your foot now. So now, yes, you can. So now I got the piece of wood. Just gonna try a couple of cuts, nothing fancy. I'm trying to see, it looks like in the daytime, you could barely see the laser light. I don't know if it's gonna come out on the video. You see that little red line? So in daylight, it's gonna be tough. I should rephrase that. Outdoors is probably gonna be tough. Probably indoors, certain lighting, it'll be easier. But I do see the line, and that's where it will cut. So let's see if it does cut. Cutting very, very well. So let's place it just film there. I guess that's a good spot for it. I don't want to put it too far back. So I'll sit it up here on top of my table. I'm not going to mount it because I may move it around. So I'm just going to leave it loose for now. And let me just, I'm going to look over the manual and see what I can learn of the device. After owning this for a while and doing a few cuts, as you can see, I got a mess everywhere. I haven't bolted it down because I haven't decided where I'm actually going to keep this. I would suggest bolting it down. Now, I am absolutely no expert whatsoever when it comes to this. This is actually my first miter saw. This is my first miter saw. It's a 12, if I remember correctly, it's a 12-inch blade, 15 amp miter saw. And I purchased it because I'm using this table saw here, but I find that it lacks in certain projects. I'm no carpenter whatsoever, but I've used this a lot. But this is even easier. It allows me more cuts. Now I don't get all fancy. I'm looking just to cut straight down, but this, to my understanding, has endless options, sideways cuts, and this cut and that. I like the laser. Now, as a person of what I've learned about lasers, don't ever look directly at the laser, but the laser is just, it's right there just under the blade or towards the middle of the actual miter saw. And it's been working very well, cutting everything that I throw at it. It's doing a really, really good job. I'm very happy with it. Again, I have to figure out where I'm gonna put it permanently. It's been working overtime like crazy on different projects. Mostly I've been making tables, making legs and stuff like that. You know, this option is really nice where you can hold down the piece of wood. That's where the Allen key is. That's the other tool that I have to keep for the actual item. Let me clean this up. I'll have my son blow it with the blower. This thing, it's been working very well. I have no issues. Again, I'm new to miter saw. So there's a lot to learn here. That's the on and off button for the laser. So you can turn it off and it still runs. You press this button and you press the handle here. You could have the laser on or off depending on your preference. I, as you saw, was drawing just to confirm that the laser is set exactly down the middle. I think, to my knowledge, it's adjustable, and I'm still trying to figure that out. But every day I'm just learning something new with this device. I really like it. I am very satisfied, and this is coming from, I'm no expert. I'm a regular guy. This is my first miter saw. Be very careful. I wear protection and eye protection and hand protection. Make sure you know where your hands are when you're coming down to make a cut. But for a regular Joe Schmo, regular user, it's a learning experience, and it just gives me so many options to do so many cuts on so many different projects. It's just an additional item in my garage that I can use to do endless projects that I might want to do with my son, my daughter, my wife, all of us. It's pretty cool. You know, this, you pull it and you adjust it, you move it left and right. I'm happy with the way it is right now, since I'm starting to, still learning it. I've only owned it, I think, about a month now, and I haven't used all its capabilities. What I want to do is actually find a really good place to mount this, to put this on. So I'm looking for a table probably that's solid, or building something with the miter saw so that I could build something solid so I could put this on and be able to use it that way. It'll just be nice to have it on something really stable, so that I can test different things and try different things out. Again, be very careful. It is a miter saw. I'm new to this. I've been very, very careful, probably overly cautious, and I've just been making standard cuts. And I cut everything I've thrown at it. It works really, really well. Let's clean up the area. What I'm using to blow this thing. This is my, I scan negatives. I have I like to scan pictures for family and friends, so I scan negatives. And this vac helps me in making sure I try to get as much dust off the negative as possible. It is extreme. I mean, this thing blows anything off, but it really gets the dust out because it has such small particles. It's very difficult. So I usually blow it with this, and then I do the additional with the microfibers and the different negative pieces of cloth that I use to clean the negative. It just helps. Also with pictures, regular solid pictures, I scan pictures. So as you saw, I cleaned it off. It's good. And I'm doing this video just to let you know I am very much an amateur when it comes to this. I am totally new to this. And basically, if I can own one, anybody can own one. Just be careful. Really, really be cautious. Be careful. Wear your eye gear. You don't want to get something in your eye when you're doing cuts. But pretty much, if I can own it, anybody could. I don't, there's nothing special about me. I'm no expert in this. But I'm happy I own one, and I'm going to be using it for a lot of different. I did want to mention before I end the video that about a week or so ago, I didn't mention it because I forgot about it. This piece broke off during a project. So this is the thing that goes up and down, up and down. I'm in the process of getting it repaired and trying to figure out if they're going to end up giving me a price difference or a decrease in price, or I may have to just exchange It goes right there. As you can see, it broke right up. They may give me an exchange. I'm not sure. So I'm trying to figure that out. This is that piece right there. I just happened to put a piece of wood here. I cut it and the thing just went flying. So that did end up happening. I'm hoping that it's my product. I'm hoping that it's just the saw that I got. I'm actually looking to probably exchange it. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do right now, but just to give you a heads up, that did happen to me, and I wanted to say that before I ended the video. This piece right here that goes up and down on this side broke off. That's this right here. See, as you can see, that's where it broke off right here. And it sits like that, somehow like this, and it goes up and down, up and down. Just to give you a heads up, I don't know if it was mine. I'm hoping it was just mine and it's not a product defect. Let's hope for the best. But I do like it and I want to keep it. All right, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you.
Metabo HPT was Hitachi Power Tools 12-inch 15-amp dual bevel compound corded miter saw item #1165335 model #C12FDHM. Cost $199.99. Purchased at Lowe's store. Motor, powerful 15-amp motor with 1950 W of output power, smoothly powers through hardwoods with ease. Miter scale ranges from 0 to 52 degrees, both to the right and left, for a broader range of cuts. Fence, tall, pivoting aluminum fence that stands at a height of 5/1/8 in. Allows crown molding to be cut vertically. Overview. The C12FDH 12-inch dual compound miter saw with dual bevel features, exclusive laser marker system for cutting accuracy. The saw head bevels to the right or left, allowing the material to stay securely in place for ultimate cutting efficiency. It cuts various types of wood, crown molding, plywood, decorative panels, soft fiberboard, hardboard and aluminum sashes. Motor, powerful 15-amp motor with 1950 W of output power, smoothly powers through hardwoods with ease. Miter scale ranges from 0 to 52 degrees, both to the right and left, for a broader range of cuts. Fence, tall, pivoting aluminum fence that stands at a height of 5/1/8 in. Allows crown molding to be cut vertically. Micro bevel, after major bevel angle is secured, micro bevel adjustment knob can be used to dial in to a precise angle. Thumb actuated positive stops, miter angles can be quickly adjusted. Bevel scale ranges from 0 to 48 degrees to the right and left, allowing for more applications. Laser marker system, exclusive laser marker system accurately indicates where the blade will cut on the material. Laser marker adjustment, laser marker can be easily adjusted to the right or left of the cut mark depending upon the user's preference. Specifications. Sub-brand NA. Series name NA. Saw blade diameter 12-inch. Bevel dual. Electric brake. Spindle lock. Quick release vise. Slide. Miter stop. Compound. Depth of cut at 90 degrees, inches, 2.75. Depth of cut at 45 degrees, inches, 1.2187. Maximum miter cut, left, degrees, 52. Maximum miter cut, right, degrees, 52. Power rating, HP, 0. Maximum speed, RPM, 4000. Length, inches, 23. Dust handling none. Width, inches, 22.6. Height, inches, 27.3. Tool weight, pounds, 46.3. Warranty 5-year. Cordless. Battery voltage NA. CA residence, Prop 65 warnings, Prop 65 warnings. Bevel capacity, degrees, 0. Folding. UNSP 27,112,700. Arbor diameter 1 inch. Safety listing UL safety listing. Laser color NA. Amperage 15. Specifications. Sub-brand NA. Series name NA. Saw blade diameter 12 inch. Bevel dual. Electric brake. Spindle lock. Quick release vise. Slide. Miter stop. Compound. Depth of cut at 90 degrees, inches, 2.75. Depth of cut at 45 degrees, inches, 1.2187. Maximum miter cut, left, degrees, 52. Maximum miter cut, right, degrees, 52. Power rating, HP, 0. Maximum speed, RPM, 4000. Length, inches, 23. Dust handling none. Width, inches, 22.6. Height, inches, 27.3. Tool weight, pounds, 46. 3 warranty 5-year cordless battery voltage NACA residence. Prop 65 warnings. Prop 65 warnings. Bevel capacity, degrees, 0. Folding. UNSP 27,112,700. Arbor diameter 1 inch. Safety listing UL safety listing. Laser color NA. Amperage 15. All Hitachi tools are inspected before they leave the factories to ensure the highest quality for customers. If you are not satisfied with any Hitachi tool within 30 days of purchase, please return the product with receipt to the original place of purchase for a refund or replacement. This guarantee covers power tools only. See the Hitachi limited warranty below for accessories and parts and further warranty information. 30-day satisfaction guarantee. Professional 5-year limited warranty. This warranty of Hitachi power tools, hereinafter the Hitachi product, extends to the original purchaser of the Hitachi product. Hitachi products are warranted to the original purchaser to be free from defect in materials and workmanship for a period of 5 years from the original purchase date. See exceptions below. Exceptions include lifetime lithium-ion tool warranty. The product categories listed below are warranted to the original purchaser to be free from defect in materials and workmanship for a lifetime from the original purchase date. Lifetime is defined as the serviceable life of the product. This is defined as the period during which all components are available. Cordless lithium-ion blowers, cordless lithium-ion circular saws, cordless lithium-ion driver drills, cordless lithium-ion hammer drills, cordless lithium-ion impact drivers, cordless lithium-ion impact wrenches, cordless lithium-ion jig saws, cordless lithium-ion reciprocating saws. 2-year warranty. The product categories listed below are warranted to the original purchaser to be free from defect in materials and workmanship for a period of 2 years from the original purchase date. Band saws, belt and disc sanders, benchtop metal dry cut saws, drill presses, lithium-ion batteries, planers, scroll saws, table saws. 1-year warranty. The product categories listed below are warranted to the original purchaser to be free from defect in materials and workmanship for a period of 1 year from the original purchase date. Air compressors, chargers, concrete cutters, corded grinders, corded hammer drills, corded rotary hammers, cordless gas nailers, cordless grinders, cordless rotary hammers, demolition hammers, digital laser meter, generators, Ni CD and Ni MH batteries, radios. 90-day warranty. The product categories listed below are warranted to the original purchaser to be free from defect in materials and workmanship for a period of 90 days from the original purchase date. Bumpers, driver blades, hammer tackers, mallet rubber caps, O-rings, piston cushions, ram rubber caps, ram rubber washers, shoe base pads. 30-day warranty. The product category listed below is warranted to the original purchaser to be free from defect in materials and workmanship for a period of 30 days from the original purchase date. Accessory products. Warranty coverage is conditioned upon the purchaser furnishing Hitachi or its authorized service center with adequate written proof of the original purchase date. Owner's registration card. The return of the owner's registration card, whether by mail or online, by the original purchaser within 10 days after the original purchase date is not a condition precedent to coverage under this warranty. Warranty coverage. This Hitachi product is warranted by Hitachi Koki USA, Limited, referred to hereinafter as Hitachi, 3950 Steve Reynolds Boulevard, Norcross, Georgia 30093, against defective materials or workmanship. This warranty is void if defects in materials or workmanship or damages result from repairs or alterations which have been made or attempted by others, or the unauthorized use of non-conforming parts. The damage is due to normal wear and tear. The damage is due to abuse, including overloading of the Hitachi product beyond capacity, improper maintenance, neglect or accident, or the damage is due to use of the Hitachi product after partial failure or use with improper accessories. Warranty performance. During the above warranty period, should your Hitachi product exhibit a defect in materials or workmanship, such defect will be repaired. When the complete Hitachi product is returned, postage prepaid and insured, to a Hitachi authorized service center. Other than the postage and insurance requirement, no charge will be made for repairs covered by this warranty. Warranty disclaimers. No warranty, oral or written, expressed or implied, other than the above warranty is made with regard to this Hitachi product. Hitachi disclaims any implied warranty of merchantability or fitness for a particular use or purpose, and all other warranties. In no event shall Hitachi be liable for any incidental, special, consequential or punitive damages, or for any costs, attorney fees, expenses, losses or delays alleged to be as a consequence of any damage to, failure of, or defect in any product, including, but not limited to, any claims for loss of profits. Limitations on warranty disclaimers. Some states do not allow limitations on how long an implied warranty lasts, so the above limitations may not apply to you. Some states do not allow the exclusion or limitation of incidental or consequential damages, so the above limitation or exclusion may not apply to you. Please consult Hitachi's website www.hitachipowertools.com or call 1-800-829-4752 to locate your nearest service facility for warranty and non-warranty service on a Hitachi product.